Check 1 2. Big up Angela Brown Burke. Big up Angela Brown Burke. Big up you. Well, people, Angela Brown Burke say the international diaspora are very, very, very concerned. And she can't call out a specific group. She only can call Canada, England, America, Caribbean. She can't call out a specific group. You understand me? So this is Angela Brown Burke, representative chairman of the People's National Party. She's saying, based on what the IC put out, the diasporas are very, very, very concerned. Listen to Angela.
The People's National Party PNP is not easing up on the government in their request for Prime Minister Andrew Holness to step down while he's being investigated. This follows the Integrity Commission's report on Holness's statutory declarations, which the PNP have labelled a serious matter. Opposition spokesperson on Foreign and Regional Affairs, Dr. Angella Brown Burke, says the diaspora has grown concerned.
I've had many calls, and the sentiment really is that persons are embarrassed, they are disappointed, and they are concerned. They are concerned because, many of them believe that the Prime Minister needs to be above any doubt or any cloud.
She says with the many contributions members of the diaspora have made to the country, they deserve some clarity.
We're talking about NGOs, we're talking about charitable organizations that so many persons in the diaspora, use as a means to help their country. And they want to make sure that all of their donations, their contributions, that they're transparent and that they're going to the causes that they would want to do. And this raises some questions in their minds.
However, Dr. Brown Burke explains the complaints are not limited to a specific group.
Many of them from the US, some from Canada, from the UK, who have been calling me, even individuals who are on the continent in Africa. They are extremely concerned in terms of the message that is sent with our Prime Minister, and all that they have heard in terms of the report from the Integrity Commission.
She adds it's time the Prime Minister acknowledges the seriousness of the situation.
What is clear is that in any self-respecting democracy, a Prime Minister who finds himself in this position would do the right thing and step aside to allow proper investigations to be made.
The Prime Minister has maintained he was never aware he was being investigated for illicit enrichment.